Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how to create this intro effect in CapCut PC, a style often used in films and TV series to introduce characters. So without any delay, let's dive right in. First, import your video clip and trip it to the sections you need. Now identify the exact moment where you want the intro effect to begin and cut the video at that point. Now click here to freeze the frame, and if necessary, remove any extra footage after the freeze point. Extend the frozen frame as long as needed for your intro duration. Now make a duplicate of the frozen frame by holding Alt and dragging it upward to create a new layer. Select the top layer, navigate to the BG remove and choose auto removal. This will automatically remove the background from the clip. Next, bring in the background of your choice. You can find this and many more in my WhatsApp channel. I will leave the link in the description. Place the background between the two layers and adjust its scale to fit perfectly. To give our character a suitable zoom effect, select the upper layer and go to transform and add a keyframe at the start. Move a few frames forward and slightly increase the scale for a smooth zoom in effect. Now let's enhance the outline of the character. Navigate to remove BG and apply a stroke effect. Adjust the color and thickness to match your style. Now let's introduce the text. First, bring in another background layer, crop it from here. Adjust its rotation and size, place it behind the character like this. Now create a new text layer, type in the name or title and choose a bold font for a cinematic look. Position the text toward the background shape and add a slight shadow effect to give it depth. Now let's animate the text. Select both the text and the shape layer by holding Ctrl on the keyboard, right click and then create a compound clip. Go to the mask section, choose split marks and rotate it. Click here to invert the mask, set keyframes at the start and move a few frames forward while dragging the mask across to reveal the text smoothly. You can further refine the animation by adjusting graph curves to make the motion more fluid. And there you have it, your cinematic character intro is ready. Feel free to tweak it further to enhance the effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram for more updates, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.